Imagine this. You're staring at a seemingly impossible stain, and you think all hope is lost. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon out there that can tackle even the toughest messes? Welcome to the world of Puracy, a game changer in the realm of home cleaning products. This isn't just another cleaning solution, it's a revolution in a bottle. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it really as effective as they claim? Let's dive in and find out. Puracy is more than just a brand. It's a mission. Based in the heart of Texas, this family-owned business is on a quest to make your home cleaner and safer. Their secret? Plant-based, chemical-free, hypoallergenic home products that are gentle on your family and the environment. And here's the part most people miss. With every purchase, a portion of the proceeds goes to local families in need. Talk about a win-win. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the laundry spray. This isn't your average stain remover. It's a powerhouse that can handle everything from wine spills to coffee mishaps, soy sauce splatters, makeup mishaps, and even the dreaded period bloodstains. Yes, you read that right. I recently put it to the test, and let me tell you, it's a lifesaver. I had a pair of beloved bright blue bike shorts that were ruined by a period stain. I tried everything, soap, water, you name it, but the stain was still there, mocking me every time I looked at it. Desperate, I turned to Puracy's laundry spray. I sprayed it on, tossed the shorts back in the wash, and voila, the stain was gone. Like it had never even happened. I wish I had taken a before and after photo, but in my panic, I forgot. Laundry gods, forgive me. So if you're tired of battling stains and want a product that actually works, head over to Amazon and grab a bottle or two of Puracy's laundry spray. It's available in different sizes, so you can stock up and be ready for any stain emergency. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about cleaning, it's about making a difference. With every spray, you're supporting a family-owned business and helping those in need. But here's a question for you. Do you think plant-based products are as effective as their chemical-laden counterparts? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation and see where it takes us. And if you tried Puracy, we'd love to hear your experiences. Did it live up to the hype? Or did it fall short? Let's discuss.